Alright folks, we're going to be making some ribs in an air fryer. Now I got the Power Air Fryer XL, and I've actually already got some in there cooking. This is what I got prepped to go in there. I cut it in half, so it's a half a rack and it'll fit in there fine. For seasonings, I went simple this time. I did some spicy mustards and some Cattleman's barbecue sauce. Then I kind of let it soak in and make sure to poke plenty of holes so we can get it tender. There's plenty of other ways to do it, but I want to try it this way. I've never done ribs in the air fryer. I'm going to see how it comes out. Now it's been cooking 25 minutes. I stopped at about 15 and turned it over. Let's see how it's looking. That's not looking too bad here. Let's get our tongs and flip it around and see how we're looking. Yeah, it probably needs to go a little bit longer, I'd say. But man, it's coming out pretty good. Put this to the side real quick so we can get up under and look at the bottom here. Yeah, see, I want some crust on that one too, like we did on this one. So I'm going to put it on here and I'm just going to kind of squeeze it, get it all around there like that. So we got that barbecue sauce carbonated about like that. Pop it in here. Hit the power button. I've been keeping on about 370 or 350. For me, I just picked this little thing right here. It puts it on your temperature, but it is going to have to go longer. So I've already had it on 25 minutes. We're going to let it run about another 8 minutes. Let's see. The timer went off. That was about 8 more minutes. We're going to pull it out. We're going to see what we're looking at. Oh yeah, that looks great. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab it. I'm going to plate it over here on the stove. I got it on like a little clear plate. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's how we want it to look. I'll let it rest. I'm going to let it rest about 15 minutes while we get these going. So I'm going to let them rest. I'll come back, I'll cut them. I'll let y'all see what it looks like cutting them and everything. And then I'll have my little boy Nathan. We're going to let him try it. He'll be the guinea pig for us. See how they came out. Alright, so I got my tongs. I'm going to have to wash them after this so that I can pull them out when they're done. But let's pick these up. Give them a little quick turn in the sauce that's already down there. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so that one's ready. Get this one. Sorry, let's lay that. Like I said, we're going to have to wash this. Oh well. Alright. Put that in there. Again, it's Power for Air XL. We're going to hit our mold button here. We're going to pick that. I don't know, I think that's supposed to be a pork chop. And we'll just let it start about 25 minutes. And last time we knew that I stopped it at 12 minutes. Go ahead and flip it over. I'll show you out this time so you guys know what's going on. And then also, we've seen that it needed to go for another 8 minutes after that. So, Alexa, set timer 12 minutes. There we go. About 15 minutes or so. So we're going to pull this open and we'll see what we're looking like. I like to pull over about halfway so that we can flip. Yeah, kind of like we were looking last time. You can tell it still needs to be cooked, of course. Let's flip it over. Let's grab these second ones here. Make sure they get some time up top too. Grab our sauce. Do exactly what we did last time. Kind of squirt it over. Now, last time we had to do another 8 minutes, so we'll go ahead and finish this route out, or this time out, and we'll come back and do it 8 more minutes after that finishes. They've been resting for a little while, so cow piece of eat while we're cutting. Alright, that's good. Alright. So you just catch the ball in there and follow it all down. Look at that. Yeah, see, it cooked well. This air fryer is amazing. I cooked turkey in it, chicken, all kind of stuff. My cameraman Nathan's wanting to try it here. Now, if you'll look, down by here by the bone. It's a little bloody. That's okay. What we'll do is we'll get it all cut up. I'll run it a few more minutes. Here he goes.
Pretty good.
Yeah? Juicy? Tough?
Yep.
It is tough?
Not too tough.
Okay.
But tough.
What do you think about the air fryer? You like them better on the grill? I like them better on the grill, a little more smoky, excuse me. But, man, on the air fryer, you still get all that juice. Still plenty juicy. It doesn't dry out. It's good to go. So like I said, we'll get these cut up. We'll throw them back in for a couple more minutes just to make sure they're all the way done. I know they're up to temperature, but I don't like the sight of that.